Hello friends, hope that you are doing well and welcome back to the grammar lesson. I am Malinder. Today's lesson I am going to teach you how to use modal verb can and could. Let's get started. Okay, remember this modal verb can and could we always use in present and past situations. Okay, let's look at first how to use modal verb can. Modal verb can we use to denote possibility to happen something or ability to do something. So its negative form cannot indicate impossibility to happen something or inability to do something. Okay everyone, let's move with some example to identify how to use can. Look at this example. She can speak 10 languages. Okay, here we use modal verb can to indicate ability to do something. It means she has ability to speak 10 languages. Look at the second one. I can't swim across the lake. Here we use can negative form cannot or can't. It we use to indicate inability to do something. It means I don't have ability to swim. Okay, move with last one. He can reach on time. Okay, here we use modal verb can to show possibility to happen something. He can reach on time. It means it's more likely to happen that he reach on time. Okay everyone, when you consider this whole example, it's clear we can use modal verb can to denote possibility to happen something or ability to do something. Remember, we use this modal verb can always in present situations and verb always used in simple present form. Look at the example. She can speak. I can't swim. He can reach. Here verb speak, swim and reach always stand in simple present form. Okay, now let's look at another way to use word can. We can use modal verb can to make request or to take permission. Remember, we can also use word may to make request, but may we use more politely than can to make request. That is to say, can we use in informal way, probably with your family or friends. So you can use word can to make request or take permission with informal way. But at your workplace or with your boss or seniors, you should use word may to make request. Okay, let's go through some example. Look at this example. Can you switch on the light? Here we use word can so to make request in informal way. Remember, when we use can to make request, we always use it in present situation. So therefore verb also stand in simple present form. Look at the second example. Can I borrow your book? Here also we ask question, so therefore every time we use can at the beginning of the sentence. So here also we use can to take permission in informal way. In this example also it comes with present situations, talk about present situations, so therefore verb also appear in simple present form. Remember, when you want to make request with informal way or to take permission, you can use word can. It always we use in present situation, so therefore verb also follows simple present form. Okay, now we are going to consider how to use modal verb could. Modal verb could we can use in past situation as well as it can be used in present situations. When we use it in present situations, we use could to make polite request with formal way. Look at this example. Could I have some coffee? Here we use could at the beginning of the sentence because we are going to request something or ask questions, so therefore we use could at the beginning of the sentence. And also here we use could to make request more politely with formal way. Probably when you're at restaurant, you can use word could to make request more politely. Okay, but when you're at home, you can use can to request something from your mother. For example, can I have some coffee? Because when we with friends or with our family, we can use can to request something with informal way. Look at the second example. Could I borrow your book? Here also we use could to make request politely with formal way. Okay everyone, remember we can use could to make request more politely than can in present situations. So could also always we use in present situations to request something more politely than can. Okay, can we use with informal way, that is to say with our friends or with our family, but could we use in formal way. at a workplace, restaurant, or with some strangers. Okay, now let's identify how to use could in past situations. Okay, we use could in past situations to indicate that we had the ability or inability to do something in the past. Okay, let's move with some examples. Look at this example. Jack could swim across the river when he was young. Okay, here we use could. It indicates that something we had ability in the past. It means Jack had the ability to swim in the past when he was young. Remember, here we use could to indicate past, but verb always stand in simple present form, swim. Okay, look at the second example. We couldn't complete the project by now. Okay, here we use could negative form, couldn't. It contracted into couldn't, could not. Okay, here couldn't we use to indicate inability in the past. It means we didn't have ability to complete the project. Okay, in this lesson I mentioned about how to use modal verb can and could. Remember again, can we always use to denote possibility to happen something or ability to do something in the present. And also we can use it to make request or permission in formal way, but could we use to make request more politely than can with formal way. And also we can use could to indicate past ability or inability that we had. Okay everyone, thank you for watching my video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.